Welcome guys, quick how-to video on how to check for duplicates in Google Sheets. First, select the data that you want to find duplicates in. Then go to Format and Conditional Formatting. From there, you're going to have this pop up on the right, and you can see in the top you're going to have the range selected already, or you could type that in. Then you're going to use the custom formula. This is going to format these cells if they fall within this range or this formula. So we're using the COUNTIF function here, and you can see we're going to select A to A. So we're just going to select the whole column A, so you won't have to adjust it if you add more data. Then we're going to select cell A1 as the starting point, close out that, and then you're going to add if it's greater than 1. Once that's done, you'll hit done, and you can see that it has highlighted in green our duplicates here. So 33 is a duplicate, and you can see it's been highlighted. If you want to change the appearance of how the formatting works, you can do that. Either the text color here will make that red, or the fill color is currently green, and we can change that to nothing. So it's just going to highlight the duplicates in red. And that is how you find duplicate data in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.